You're throwing away the most powerful soil fertilizer on the planet every single day. It's sitting in your kitchen right now, in your trash can, and it's completely free. Most gardeners spend hundreds of dollars every year on fertilizers, soil amendments, and compost bags, when the answer is literally in their kitchen bin. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 kitchen scraps that will completely transform your garden soil. What they do inside your soil, why they work, and exactly how to use each one correctly. Stay till the end because scrap number 4 is something most gardeners throw away without a second thought. But it might be the single most powerful soil transformer on this entire list. Let's get into it. Scrap 1. Coffee grounds. Let's start with the one you've probably already heard about, but almost everyone uses it wrong. Coffee grounds are packed with nitrogen, one of the 3 most critical nutrients your plants need for strong leafy growth. But here's what nobody tells you. Fresh coffee grounds are slightly acidic. Used grounds, the ones coming out of your coffee maker every morning, are almost pH neutral. So if you're dumping them on your blueberries, thinking you're acidifying the soil, you're not. What they are doing is feeding your soil biology. Coffee grounds are like rocket fuel for earthworms. Worms are obsessed with them. More worms means more tunneling, better drainage, better aeration, and faster breakdown of organic matter throughout your entire root zone. The fix: don't pile grounds directly against plant stems. It can mat and block water. Sprinkle thinly across the soil surface and work them in lightly. Mix with dried leaves for best results. Free nitrogen, free worm food, every single morning. But scrap number 2 is something you peel every day and throw away without a second thought. Scrap 2. Banana peels. Every time you eat a banana and throw that peel in the trash, you are throwing away one of the richest sources of potassium available to your garden for free. Potassium is the nutrient responsible for flower development, fruit production, and root strength. When your tomatoes aren't setting fruit, when your peppers are dropping flowers, when your roots look weak and thin, potassium deficiency is usually the culprit. Banana peels are loaded with it. They also contain phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, a complete cocktail of secondary nutrients your soil craves. The fix: chop peels into small pieces and bury them 2 to 3 inches deep near the root zone of fruiting plants. They break down within 2 to 3 weeks and release nutrients directly where roots can grab them. You can also soak chopped peels in water for 48 hours and use that banana water as a liquid fertilizer. Plants respond to it almost immediately. Don't throw another peel away. Scrap number 3 is something most people rinse straight down the drain every single night. Scrap 3. Eggshells. Every morning, millions of eggshells go straight into the trash or down the garbage disposal. And every one of them is carrying something your garden soil desperately needs: calcium. Without enough of it, you get blossom end rot in tomatoes, tip burn in lettuce, and stunted root development across almost everything you grow. Most gardeners buy calcium sprays and supplements without realizing the solution is sitting on their breakfast plate. Eggshells are approximately 95% calcium carbonate. They also slowly raise soil pH over time. The fix: crush shells as finely as possible. The finer the crush, the faster they break down. Sprinkle around the base of plants, especially tomatoes, peppers, and squash. Work them into the top inch of soil for faster results. Bake shells at 200 degrees for 20 minutes, then grind to powder. Nearly instant absorption. Save every shell, every single one. Scrap 4. Vegetable cooking water. Every single night, most people cook vegetables, pasta, potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and pour that water straight down the drain. That water is liquid gold for your garden. When vegetables cook, they release minerals, vitamins, and nutrients directly into the water. Potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, all leaching out of the vegetables and sitting right there in that warm water you're about to waste. You're essentially making a mineral broth for your soil every time you boil vegetables, and you're dumping it. Let the water cool completely. Pour it directly around the base of your plants. That's it. Do it every time you cook. One critical rule: never use salted cooking water. Salt destroys soil structure and kills beneficial microorganisms. Unsalted vegetable water cooled, poured at the roots, free liquid fertilizer every single night. And scrap number 5. Most people don't even realize this one is a scrap at all. Scrap 5. Onion skins. You peel an onion, drop the dry, papery skins in the bin, and move on. Those skins, along with garlic skins, leek tops, and shallot peels, are some of the most nutrient-dense organic material you produce in your kitchen. Onion skins are rich in quercetin, a natural compound that actually stimulates plant growth and strengthens plant immune systems against disease and pest pressure. They also contain potassium, calcium, and iron. And because they're dry and papery, they break down at the perfect rate in soil. The fix: collect onion and garlic skins in a jar on your counter. Once a week, take the whole jar and either bury the skins directly in your garden beds 2 inches deep or boil them in water for 10 minutes, cool completely, and use that water as a powerful plant tonic. The boiled skin water is particularly effective on seedlings and transplants. It reduces transplant shock noticeably. Stop throwing these away. They are working for you the moment they hit your soil. Onion skins partially decomposed in dark, rich garden soil. Nature doing its work silently.